Welcome everyone and thanks for joining me today. In this lesson we're drawing baby Mario from Super Mario Galaxy. So we start in the center of our page. Let's draw a large oval for the nose. Starting from the very top in the center. Just going to stretch this out towards the sides, towards the bottom, and then bring that back up towards the top. Now I want to place the eyes on top of the nose. So we're going to leave a small gap in the center. Start on the left. We're going to draw a half oval going up and then down. Do the same thing on the right. Now along the top of each eye, we're going to draw a small circle for a highlight. And then we'll fill the bottom of the eyes in black. Now with the mouth, I want to shift this up towards the left. So we start along the side, bring this down, and then across. Let's add a bracket on the left side, and then a bracket on the right. Let's go back up to the top left corner of the mouth, bring this down, and then up. Let's add the tooth. We're going to start with a curve coming down and up. And then along the bottom, just shift it over toward the left. We're going to draw the tongue coming across and then down. Let's fill the inside of the mouth in black. Let's go back up above the eyes and add the eyebrows. We're going to curve this up and then down. Do the same thing on the right. Now just underneath the eyes along the side of the nose, we're going to add the cheeks. Bend this up and then out to create a fold. Now that we complete the face, let's move out to the side and draw the edge of the hat. So we're going to start all the way over on the left side. Let's bend this up, go across, and then bend that down toward the same height. Now I want to step in and draw the brim of the hat. We're going to start up here, curve this down and in. Now we're going to bend this up above the eyebrows, come back down towards the right, and then curl that up. Let's add in the sideburns. On the left side, underneath the hat brim, bend this down and in, round this out, and then go out. Let's add another curl, coming down, around, and then up underneath. Now I want to curve the head underneath the sideburn. So we're going to leave a gap, curve this down, come in underneath the mouth, go across, and then bend that up towards the right. Now from the edge of the hat, we're going to step in and curl the ears. Coming down, and just pull that up towards the side of the head. Now along the outside of the ears, we're going to add a fold, coming down. Let's go back to the sideburns and add a hook. Now from here, we're going to draw on the top of the hat. Let's start back on the left. We're going to bend this out and pull this up, go in towards the middle. Now I want to round up the hat, bring this down towards the right, and then we're going to bend that in towards the bottom. Let's add that large circle along the top. We're going to leave a gap on the center, starting on the left, go all the way around, and then pull that back in on the right. Now in the center of that circle, we're going to draw that large M. Let's start with a point right in this middle, go up and out toward the left and right, come down and out towards the side, flatten off the bottom. Now I'm just going to trace the M along the inside. Now I want to wrap the hat in behind the head. So we're going to start from this point. We'll continue this curve in behind the ear, and from the ear in towards the head. And it'll fill each of these areas in black. Now that we complete the head, let's move down and draw on the body. We're going to start with the edge of the diaper. On the left side, we're going to bend this up and then back down. On the end, let's step in, curve the body, going up and then in, just underneath the head. Let's go back to the left side, curve the diaper, coming down, across the bottom, and then back up. Now in the center, we're going to draw an oval. On either end, let's draw two lines coming down. Now from the bottom, cut this out and then down to create a seam on either side. Let's go to the center, draw a straight line coming down, and then we'll round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start with the left side, coming down and up. Do the same thing on the right. Let's round out the top of the foot. We're going to go up and then down on the inside. And we'll curl the shoe back in towards that center line. Let's go to the outside, draw a straight line coming down the side of the leg. We're going to add a thick sole across the bottom of the feet, so we'll take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. And then we're going to add a lace from the top of the foot, then this in and then down. Round this out, go up and then back out. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw on the arms, just up above the diaper from the side of the body, then the arm going out and then down towards the wrist. From the wrist, add a small half circle for the thumb, and then close off the end with a bracket. Now we're going to add 3 fingers on either side, starting from the bottom of the thumb. Let's curl this around that bracket and in, go out to the side, bend the second finger, and then the third finger, we're going to go all the way around, just tuck that up underneath the head. Let's do the exact same thing on the right. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Baby Mario from Super Mario Galaxy. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.